Hey guys, tonight we'll be making pineapple chipotle chicken legs over scallion lime rice with snap peas. Stay tuned. Started, as always, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. It helps a lot. Please also smash this like button as well as any other videos that you watch of mine. I really appreciate that as well. If you guys need the recipe guide, no problem, it's in the link below, as well as a special trial with HelloFresh, and also any of the cooking tools that I use, that's in the link as well. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, here are the ingredients we're working with tonight. First up, we have 2 scallions. Next, we have 4 ounces of pineapple. We have 6 ounces of sugar snap peas. We have 1 lime. We have 16 ounces of chicken legs. We have half a cup of jasmine rice. We have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now if you guys need low sodium soy sauce, you might want to switch that out. We also have 1 teaspoon of chipotle powder. And we have 2 tablespoons of Hellmann's real ketchup. They gave us 4 packages. Nice little promo they're running with Hellmann's because it came with a coupon as well. So we have 4 of those. Alright, for utensils, we'll need a medium pan. You'll also need a medium bowl. You'll need baking sheet, some Reynolds wrap or aluminum foil, whichever you like to use. You'll need a pot, small to medium size. You need a cup. You should use some measuring spoons, but you can just wing it as well, your choice. You'll need some butter. You need 5 little bowls to slice and dice things. As always, salt and pepper. Your favorite knife. It stays. It ain't gonna stay. See, it's not gonna stay. Finally, it's stayed. You need a measuring cup. Strainer, some oil. I'm actually using avocado oil, but you can use olive oil if you like. And you'll need sugar or sugar substitute. I knew it was going to stay. I'm using monk fruit instead of sugar. It calls for sugar, but I'd rather not use sugar, so I'm using monk fruit. And let me clean the produce, and here are the marching orders for tonight's meal. We're going to quart the lime. We're going to cut off the ends of the sugar snap peas. We're going to thinly slice the whites and the greens separately on the scallions. We're going to then drain the pineapple from the juice, keep the juice in the cup, and coarsely chop the pineapple pieces. Easy peasy. Alright, so now we're going to prep the chicken. It may be a good idea to put the pan on high so it gets all nice and hot. We're going to take the chicken out of its paper towel wrap. As always, I recommend rinsing the chicken under the sink, under the faucet in the sink. So we're going to do the skin side first, flip, and then do the other side. Push that in, flip, repeat. There we go. Now it goes into the pan. We're going to cook skin side down for about 5 minutes and flip it for another 4 minutes. Pan is nice and hot. Add some oil. Move it around, get a nice coating. Oops. I'm going to add, again, skin side down chicken. I'm going to cook for about 5 minutes. Alright, now I'm going to flip and cook for another 4 minutes. While this cooks, we're going to prepare the cooking sheet with some aluminum foil and some cooking spray. Alright, next up is we're going to take the chicken and put it in, or put it on the cooking sheet. There we go. It's going to go in for 10 minutes. We're going to check it, and while that goes in, we're going to make the rice. Let's make the rice. We're going to heat up a drizzle of oil. I'm going to add the white scallions. See what I'm doing. Go. And half of the pineapples. There we go. We're going to toss for about a minute or two until it's nice and softened. Right now we're going to add a pinch of salt, a cup of water. Bring that to a boil. We're now boiling, so we're going to add the rice. Mix it up a little bit. Lower the flame to a simmer. Cover and cook for about 15 minutes. We're going to cook now the remaining pineapple and scallions. About 2 minutes or so. Lightly browned. On your medium to low heat. And we're now going to make the sauce. So we're going to take the pineapple juice, a tablespoon of the soy sauce. I'm actually going to use this one. It's less sodium. It's from Pico Man. The other one just has a lot of sodium, and I'd rather not have it. Alright. We're going to then take a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to use monk fruit. Oops. Going to add a tablespoon of water, actually 2 tablespoons of water. 1, 2. Add a pinch of chipotle powder. And we're going to add the ketchup. Mix this together. I'm actually going to get a whisk. Now it's all nicely combined. Put this to the side, and we're going to go check on chicken. Go with chicken. We're going to add the sauce to the pineapple and scallions. I'm going to cook this for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, give or take, until it's nice and thick. And then we're going to brush the chicken with the sauce, and then add the sugar snap peas as well. Alright, we're now going to add a pinch of salt and pepper. Then we're going to brush the chicken legs with the sauce. Alright, so we're now going to add a squeeze of lime. As much as you like. This is enough for me for right now. Mix that together. And we have to save the sauce for later, so I'm going to pour it into this little bowl. Get my brush. And we're going to brush the chicken. Adjust the camera, there we go. Give it a nice dusting. Dusting. There we go. Put the sugar snap peas over here on one level, if possible. And give it a drizzle of oil and a little salt and pepper. Goes in for 10 minutes and just about done. Pretty simple, right? Olive oil, avocado oil, salt, little pepper. Into the oven it goes. 10 minutes. Alright, so the rice is just about ready. Give it a nice little fluff. Gonna add a tablespoon of butter. Squeeze a lime. Mix together. Smells amazing. It's a good meal. And we're going to add salt and pepper. Just find out where I put it. salt, pepper. Mix that together, and we're just about ready. A lot of stuff here, so let's get to it. Here is the delicious rice. Another fluff. Lay that down. Do wish they give a little bit more rice. And if it was brown rice, it would be even better, but it is what it is. Going to some of the green beans, put those down. On the legs, that right there. Now, I'm going to add a little garlic to a touch to the green beans. It's a nice little kick, in my opinion. And here's the excess sauce. Lay that down. There, and let's put it there as well. Whatever. Ain't that beautiful? Finally, all the green scallions. And there you go. That's tonight's meal. Stay tuned for review. Very tasty meal, I must say. It was from the rice. The rice is, it's how do I explain this? It's creamy and tangy at the same time. That's probably with the lime. It's really good. The rice. They just didn't give us enough. That's, you know, you need a little bit more than a half a cup for 2 people. You know what I'm saying? Chicken, fantastic. It has a hint of chipotle from the powder. I didn't put too much. But if you want a little more kick, that's what you add more on. It was really a good meal. Sugar snap peas were really good. I gave it a kick with the garlic, so I recommend that. No complaints. I'm definitely making this meal again. It's a really good meal. I recommend it to anyone. So with that said, if you like this video, please smash that like button. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Until next time, keep cooking.